Great opportunity in a fabulous midtown area to earn some equity. Mid-renovation project is ready to be completed by new owners. Bright and fresh coastal influenced interior with new laminate flooring throughout. New white shaker kitchen cabinets and bead board accents. Primary bedroom has custom built-in closet and updated half bath that could be completed with full shower from the connected pantry. 2 guest rooms and updated guest bathroom. Notice custom wood built-ins and details throughout including cedar closet. Some furnishings negotiable. Washer and dryer and all appliances remain. Garage workshop is filled with many items to complete some of these projects. Fenced and private backyard with no rear neighbors. Some visible foundation settling. Seller will provide